Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu, who was an Indian activist, leader of Indian independence movement against British rule, was born on 2nd October 1869 and raised in a Hindu merchant caste family in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. His father, Karamchand Uttamchand Gandhi, served as the Chief Minister of Porbandar state. His mother was Putlibai. At age 11, he joined the Alfred High School in Rajkot. In May 1883, the 13-year-old Mohandas was married to 14-year-old Kasturbai Makhanji Kapadia. In late 1885, Gandhi and his wife has 4 children, all sons. In April 1893, Gandhi, aged 23, set sail for South Africa to be the lawyer. He was thrown off the train's first-class whites-only compartment for refusing to give up his seat. He spent 21 years in South Africa, where he developed his political views, ethics, and politics. On the request of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Gandhiji returned India in 1915. The Champaran agitation in Bihar was Gandhiji's first active involvement in Indian freedom politics. Gandhiji's influence on the Muslim population was remarkable during the Khilafat movement. Gandhiji had realized the British were in India only because of the cooperation they received from the Indians. Keeping this in mind, he called for the non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji started a Satyagraha campaign against the salt tax in March 1930, also known as the Dandi movement. Thousands of people joined him and made it one of the biggest marches in the Indian history. During the Quit India movement, Gandhiji protested and said that the Indians cannot be involved in a war that is in the favor of democratic purposes when India itself is not a free country. After so much struggle, on midnight of 15th August 1947, Britain handed India its independence. Gandhiji spent the day of independence not celebrating the end of British rule but appealing for peace among his countrymen. At 5:17 p.m. on 30th January 1948, Gandhiji was in the garden of Birla House. Nathuram Godse fired 3 bullets into his chest. Friends, the light has gone out of our lives, and there is darkness everywhere. And I do not know what to tell you and how to say it. Our beloved leader Bapu is no more.
पद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे।